How you doing, my beautiful Jays? Welcome back to my home. Casa tu casa. Today I find myself in the living room, tired as heck, drinking a little bit of coffee. And I came in here because I wanted to show you how I recreated this wall art up here in top of me. Now, the process wasn't pretty for somebody who is not creative like me, but I gave it a try after having visited my niece a few weeks ago in Philadelphia. Her house is beautiful, and my goal is that when I go visit her again, I am going to videotape her house so you guys can see what I'm talking about. But she has this beautiful, well, not this one, but a beautiful wall art she created by being inspired by the YouTuber that she watches. And after watching the YouTuber video and watching her, and seeing her picture frame, I realized something that made me recreate mine. And you know, sometimes we see this YouTubers creativity and how they put it into this DIYs that they do, and sometimes we try to recreate it and we get frustrated because it doesn't come out exactly how they did it. But guess what? Wall art is what it is. It's a wall art. So no matter how wrong you go or how messed up it starts looking, if you keep going and twisting and changing and adding, it will always end up how you want it, and you will give it that unique touch. And that's what happened to me. I'm not very creative, but I wanted to create something like what she had. One thing I would have wished that I have done was get a bigger scale, because as you see my sofa is a little bit bigger than the scale of the picture frame, and then I have the candle holders that way to kind of like balance the space. But I'm gonna see if I am able to recreate it again, even though I give it a different twist to it, but with a bigger scale of canvas. So let's see how that works. And if I find it, I'm going to measure this one, measure the dimensions that I want, see if I find it. If I find it, I will recreate it, and I will come back with another DIY. Meanwhile, stay tuned so you can see how I recreated this one. And I hope you like it, and I'll come back in a few minutes. So, okay, guys, so here all you're going to need is a canvas of your choice, or whatever scale that you're looking for. And then after that, you are going to, remove anything that they might need or they might have that will cause your picture frame to not look the way you want it. I put rhinestones in mine, so all I'm doing is just removing them and taking them out to the side. I already did that to the other flowers, and I'm making sure there's no residue, so when I paint, it will be good. Don't throw away the rhinestones because you can use them later. And then you're going to use the paint. And you're going to use glitter. And I bought this just in case. Then you got black paint and white and some gray one. So yeah, let's start. Oh, don't forget the gloves. Here you're also gonna need some brush. I got a big one and some angle ones. So now we're just gonna take our other brush, which is a square one that I have really big, so it can be easier for me to spread the paint. And then what you wanna do is when you're painting, you wanna spread it all over, making sure that there is no show through, and you want to go up and down. Here, guys, I'm just using the black paint. I should have gone backwards and used the gray one instead, and then a little bit of black and a little bit of white, but it's a try and wrong error. You go as you go, and whatever comes out, comes out. So you can see that I put the black one, and now I am putting, I believe, some of the gray one too. Again, I should have gone one at a time. Another thing that I noticed as I was doing the process, that I should have used little paint, because the little goes a long way. So always start with less and as you need, because if not, you're going to end up like I was doing right here. You can see that it's nothing compared to what it's going to end up liking or what you're hoping to end up like. So I was trying to do my best and spreading it all over. And all I did was went up and down, creating those weird shapes. But as I go, you will notice that things don't go as planned. So right here, I noticed that I put too much paint, and I was just trying to remove the excess and looking at the picture and thinking, how can I fix this? How can I fix this? And I added some white. No, I think I was adding the glitter. Yeah, I'm adding the glitter. And yeah, so I'm just going to let you watch the mess that I created, okay? All right. So after I have done all this painting, I scratched that all out. The spoon took all the paint out and spread the gray that was in it. And then I'm just adding white as little as much as possible and just giving strokes up and down to try to dilute the gray. So I want more white to pop out than gray. So I'm working on it. Let's see how it turns out. Guys, so you saw at first, you probably was like, what the heck is she doing? All this black. Yeah, I did it backwards. It was supposed to be gray and then a little bit of black and then a little bit of white. And I did everything all opposite. But anyhow, that's how it came out. So I am going to take the camera off the phone, I should say, off the tripod. And I'm going to show you a little bit closer what it looks like. Okay, guys, so that's how it looks like. I just love the glitter and how holographic it looks. Come this way, and I'm sorry for the shadows, but it is gorgeous. Now, I can guarantee you it's nothing compared to my niece. My niece has, you remember the Dollar Tree mirrors? They used to come out with the little mirrors in the corners. She took them out, and then she placed them on her picture frame wall art. Now, I don't have those mirrors, or I can never find them in my Dollar Tree. So what I did, I put rhinestones right here and then one in the corner for now, because when I find them. So yeah, guys, so like I was saying, when I find the Dollar Tree mirrors, I'm able to take those mirrors out and I will place them in the corner of that. And hopefully I get to find a bigger scale of canvas where I can recreate it again and maybe place this one in another part of the house. But being that said, guys, thank you for stopping by. I hope you enjoyed this DIY. Let me know in the comments below what you think I could have done better. And bear with me, please. Be kind. And give this video a thumbs up. Share with friends and family. And if you're not part of this beautiful family here that I have on YouTube, please do so by subscribing, hitting that bell notification so you will get notified every time I load a video. And being that said, thank you for your love and support. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.